Alright, good day viewers. Here we have an integral problem of 8x plus 1 divided by 2x squared minus 9x minus 35 dx. We have to resolve it into partial fraction. Alright, the concept of partial fraction, of course, take note of this integration sign. Meaning when we are done, we are going to actually keep it in an integrated form. Alright, the concept of partial fraction is that it will be the factorization or simplification of the denominator and then keeping the denominator into two parts, so like two brackets, and equating it with the dividend, which is this. All right, so first and foremost, do well to like and comment on our video before I proceed. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to say 8x plus 1 all over. I'm going to exclude the integration first. I'm going to include the I'm going to exclude the integration and the dx to just solve this first. Now, I'm having 2x squared minus 35. And that means it's a product of negative 70. So I'll look for two numbers that when I multiply, it gives me negative 70, and when I add, it gives me negative 9. And what are those numbers? We think fast. That should be 14 and 9. Sorry, 14 and 5. Let's see, 14 by 5. 5 times 14, divided by 0, 2515 plus 70. So 14 and 5. So what will matter is the sign. And what will be that sign? It will be a negative 14 plus 5, so that will give me a negative 9. So let's put that in. 2x squared minus 14x plus 5x minus 35. So you see, we've expatiated the denominator. So now what we'll do is to factor out by writing the same thing again. 8x plus 1 all over 2x to stay out, open bracket x, so that gives us 2x squared, minus 7, so that gives us minus 14x. Close the bracket. Plus 5 will stay out, open bracket x minus 7, so that this gives us 5x and this gives us minus 35. So you see, so the next part I will be having 8x plus 1 open bracket. One of the bracket we have x minus 7 double, so one will be x minus 7 and one will be 2x plus 5. You see, I may just decide to actually just keep it as 8x plus 1 all over 2x plus 5 x minus 7. I just want to write it this way and not x minus 7 first. All right, so the next thing will be 8x plus 1 all over this same bracket of 2x plus 5 and x minus 7 should be equal to a all over 2x plus 5 plus b all over x minus 7. That's what it means for resolving into partial fractions. All right, so I can then have that I can then have that I can have that 8x plus 1 all over x 2x plus 5 and x minus 7 should be equal to 2ax plus 5a plus bx minus 7b all over same component of 2x plus 5 x minus 7. Okay, so what I simply did there was that I did more like a transposition of element based on position, right? So the next I'll do is 8x plus 1 should be equal to, I'm going to move this and this to connect and this to connect. Now this has a common x, so I'll say 2a plus b bracket x plus 5a minus 7b. You see, so why? Because I want to kind of factor out something. You understand? So 2a plus b bracket x should be equal to 5a minus 7b. By so doing, you see x is outside here and x is next to 8. So it means this will be equal to 8 and this one will be equal to 5a minus 7b, producing a simultaneous equation. So we can then say 2a plus b is equals to 8 and 5a minus 7b is equal to 1. Common sense, right? All right. So next, I'm going to, in order to eliminate the a's, I will multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. Because 2 times 5 will be 10 and 5 times 2 will be 10. And that will kind of annihilate a. So let's see the form of that. 2a times 5 will be 10a plus 5b equals to 40. And 10a minus 14b equals to 2. So I'm going to rewrite same thing again before we proceed. I'm going to rewrite same thing. 10a minus plus 5b equals to 40. 10a minus 14b equals to 2. With that, a's and a's will cancel. So even if we say subtract, let's say subtract equation 2 from 1, I'll be having 5b minus 14b should be equal to 40 minus 2. I've subtracted equation 2 from 1. So let's use a mathematical statement for that. Subtract equation 2 from 1. So minus minus make plus. So that will be 19b equals to 38. Divide both sides by 19. B is equals to 2. With that, we can find A. So let's find A with any of the equation using 2a plus b equals to 8, our previous equation. So b is now 2. So I'll say 2a plus 2 equals to 8. 2a equals to 8 minus 2 when you collect like terms. 2a equals to 6. A equals to 3. So I've gotten my A and my B. Take note. So in that same manner at which I wrote it before, when I said A all over 2x plus 5 plus B all over x minus 7. I will now go and put those values to say 3 all over 2x plus 5 plus 2 all over x minus 7. So the idea to put it in that integral form now, I will just say 3 ln open bracket 2x plus 5 plus 2 ln open bracket x minus 7 plus c, and that's our final answer. I believe you followed through. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow our next video. Thank you for your time.